So this Hyundai Creta has been part of our fleet for a very long time. And in that time, it has taken us through rain or shine on smooth highways as well as roads that seem to be non-existent in absolute comfort. Today, we are at Sai Service Hyundai, part of Hyundai's wide and strong service network, to get this car serviced. And in the process, we hope to find out if there is truth to the claim that cars like this, which are premium in its segment, are easy on the pocket, especially in terms of maintenance costs.
Hi, Mr. Sid.
Good morning, Mr. Shakir.
How are you, sir?
I'm doing good.
You brought your Creta for second service.
Yeah, so we are planning to go on a long road trip, and before that, I wanted to get the Creta serviced.
You would have just clicked on our online service facility which we provide for all our customers.
But I thought it would rather be better that I come here and see your upgraded service center as well as use the facilities of this launch.
We do have the good customer launch and you can transparently see your vehicle update status from here only.
Okay. And so which service are we going to do now?
Your car is due for second phase service,
Okay.
which will be 10,000 km 1 year service,
Okay.
wherein the engine oil and oil filter have to be replaced and the air filter and AC filter have to be replaced. Sir.
Okay. And how much will this cost?
It will cost you just rupees 2,900 only.
So
And it is, you can check on your Hyundai calculator.
yeah, I'm checking it right now, and it says about 2,900 rupees.
Absolutely right, sir.
Is that low?
It is, yes.
Okay, that's surprising, sir.
That is what, sir. Hyundai is always known for the reasonable cost of maintenance.
Okay. So as I told you before, I'm going for a long trip now after this service. So I wanted everything in tip-top condition.
Got it, sir. Sir, we have two kind of services available. One is the expressway service, which is a 90-minute service job.
Okay.
Okay. And as you rightly said, that you're going to go for long drive. I would recommend that let us spend some more time on the car.
Okay.
We'll do the under GC retorquing. All the other aspects will be inspected in totality. I would request if you can just bear with us for few more hours.
Yeah.
So let us complete it and then we'll go for a pre and post road test, sir.
Okay. That is great, sir. We'll do that.
That's it.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
While trained technicians thoroughly inspected and prepared for its service, I waited in the launch. Mr. Shakir's words were reassuring, but how would I keep track of the progress of the service? I didn't want to meddle while the technicians did their job, and neither did I want to be distracted from my own daily office tasks.
Hi, Mr. Sid.
Hello.
Yeah, the work is going on. We have shared your live streaming link.
On SMS?
SMS, sir.
Okay.
You can see the work is going on.
Yeah. This is wonderful, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
As the Creta was being taken care of and in between my tasks, I did some research and found out that the Creta had one of the lowest maintenance costs in its segment. And that's not all, one can even get low service costs by availing the Shield of Trust running repair service packages. With a fixed price, customers are assured lower maintenance costs on 14 key parts till up to 5 years or 60,000 kilometers.
Yeah, Mr. Sid. How did you find the car?
It feels like brand new, sir.
Thank you, sir. Yes, Mr. Sid.
Yeah.
I'll just brief you about the bill.
Okay.
As discussed in the morning, we have replaced the engine oil filter, air filter and AC filter.
And the cost is?
As discussed in the morning only, the 2,900 rupees.
Oh wow, that's wonderful.
And it is, you can also check on the calculator that we have given.
Yeah.
As discussed, sir, and as we have shown you, we use the genuine parts only to make sure that your drive should be smoother. You should enjoy your drive with Hyundai always, sir.
Okay. Thank you so much, Mr. Shakir.
Thank you so much, sir.
So Hyundai is known for its products which offer the best features and tremendous value. But a good, affordable after-sales service is integral to a great ownership experience. So after getting our Creta serviced, what have we found out? We found out that Hyundai not only makes great products, but it also offers great affordable service.